Hello, professionals and folks, friends, let's welcome back. I think you have already enjoyed my part one course. Probably you are the first person. Join part two directly. I would request part one. It is going to give you a lot of intuition and knowledge about how the support project works and what are the different things. Okay, so look at that. Our successful. This is like SAP SD consultant support actions and 18 real-time incidents. So probably what it is going to cover. As usual, introduction. Okay. So useful work, interview support. Okay. So I have created some 4 parts you try to observe. So how the incident management, how it works in part one. And when it comes to a lot of support consultant roles and responsibilities, and you have something like 18 tickets, near to standard 18 tickets I have explained. And mass new support ticketing tool, difference between your parent and child scenarios, a lot of things. 18 near to standard tickets I have explained. Okay. So you may have some queries like, what is part two all about? Okay. Part two, I would like to discuss about more incidents. Okay, more incidents and how the bug cycle will work. That is, I have added in part one also. Part two, someone might be joins directly, instead of walk through direct incidents, how the support cycle or implementation bug cycle, how it works, that I have explained. That is theory. And after that, so many scenario based incidents. So generally this is my experience how I worked in global project. Okay, so probably I might not able to show you the enhancements. What is the enhancements? Like it is deviations from standard, but in my practice system I have shown all standard incidents, how I resolved different scenarios related to tax and related to what you call idocs, a couple of incidents related to data. So this course is not going to finish as you think. Whatever the scenario comes into my mind, whatever the error analysis comes into mind, integrated with SD, with other modules and SD alone itself, I'm just trying to explain here. Okay. So why I'm delivering the course? This is not an ending process. Whatever I know, wherever the possibility is there to resolve certain scenarios across customer master data, material master data, certain basic functions, everything, whatever the possibility is there, really what I have faced in one of the projects I worked with Honeywell, global support, 15 to 20 SD consultant used to work there. I worked for Europe, I worked for US, like that. Okay. So if you what is more important instead of worrying yourself badly and happy, because you are not going to do with user exit, you are not maybe you can search and you can give it to the logic. So what you have to think about that when you are implementing something functional logic across the tables, how you can able to think, that is more important. Okay, if someone asks in interview, you can able to tell that these are the incidents I used to resolve, these are the background job failures, these are the some XYZ, blah 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 blah. You need to explain. That's what it is all about. Okay, real time means there is something which you are fearing, which is not available in your scope. That I don't want to give that fear to here. User exits. Okay, welcome. Customer exits and screen exits. We can explain, but you are not going to write any code. That's why I'm not explaining anything all about that. So try to understand, your standard is more important. Try to dig in how you can able to understand this one. Okay. So probably thank you all. So there is no part three for this. Okay. I'll get in touch with you. So I'll try to update this course. Currently it is having, I think, more than 15 plus incidents. So it has a lot of explanation. Please enjoy this course. If you have anything, if you want anything specifically, if you want it, you can always welcome to ask me. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. And I would like to add one more point here. Probably you can able to continue with the same screen for the different incidents. Now it is at 35. In future it might be 100 also. You never knew. All these are the different incidents. Okay, different incidents. What you have seen, some of the incidents you have seen, part one, okay, and part two also. I am going to get continue, okay, with this incident stage. So probably I will. I don't think so. You don't require this attachment. What I would like to show you is, okay. So maybe let's go to the introduction and your defect incident life cycle. Followed that all incidents only. If you already know about first two parts, you don't require. If you do the first part, then you can able to continue. This is not submitted. So like when it comes to ticket details, you can able to get incident details in the within the video. Okay, so like this, if you open this example, tax condition maintained, but still it is not working. One of the example. In the similar way, if you come here, if you see this, if stock is not available, some XYZ. Okay, maybe you can see this. Okay, what is it all about? This is all about. Okay, this is might be related to idoc list like that, certain. So scenarios I have fabricated, which is actually resolved the experience, like how you work across instance. It will be quite useful to work in support projects. Of course, if I want, I can able to explain enhancements, but that is only theory that you cannot able to get out of. It's out of focus for you. Why? Because it varies from customer to customer. The place where you walk, you have a different solution. What all you need to develop is analysis. Okay. So, so you can able to subscribe this course if you really want it. And if you want it, this is part one. You can able to give a try. It's already live actually. Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. And if you have any doubts, you can use Udemy forum or else you can able to use my dedicated, what I would say, my dedicated YouTube channel. Okay. With this name, if you type it with this logo, you can able to get it. Okay. So all these are the different videos, 800 and plus videos. So get in touch with in YouTube or Udemy if you have any doubts. Don't hesitate yourself. I wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Enjoy the course. What I would like to say is enjoy the course. Thank you. Have a great day. Let me all the best.